Okay, love bugs, it is time to get into my natural hair bag. I have been thinking about it, I have been manifesting it, and I am going to stop thinking and do more doing. So today I've teamed up with Nadula hair. They sent me over this beautiful half wig. She's a kinky curly half wig and she's absolutely gorgeous. I went ahead and did a nice and simple install. We kind of did, I believe it's called a flip over method, but it's just a way to kind of sort of get used to wearing my natural hair and not feel like it needs to be like fried and dyed. So for the install, we pretty much just cold wash the natural hair at the sink with a little bit of Aussie Moist conditioner. Let her hang dry to about 85%. And in the meantime, I took my leave out and then I sectioned it for a little braid out. So you'll see this one is absolutely gorgeous. Here is a piece of my natural hair and this is like the wig hair. So you can get the difference in seeing that, like, I think I did a good job with the blend. I even added just a little bit of baby hair up top for the vibes. Let me know what you guys think. I think I did a great job. We can definitely add some layers, but baby steps, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this simple and easy install. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have it linked down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. It looks so crazy. Today, I've teamed up with Nadula. And you guys know I love me some Nadula. And as you guys can see, we are going for a half wig. So this is the half wig here. And as you guys can see, she is a beautiful kinky texture. I can tell there's a little layer in it because look how short this piece is. Well, maybe it's just shrinkage. I take that back, no layer. But yeah, there is a little bit of layer in here up here, but of course we're gonna go ahead and thug her out the way we normally do. This is a look at the texture from the back. As I mentioned, this is 24 inches, so you guys already know that shrinkage is gonna shrink when it comes to the natural textures. When you flip it inside out, this is the important part. This is what it looks like. You have 2 combs in the center and then 2 combs in the outer, so kind of like 2 and 2 for 4 in the front. When you flip it to the nape, you have a larger comb in the back as well as the drawstring. So this is what it looks like. As for my hair, I have not washed it in about maybe a week and a half. I'm pretty sure it's due for a wash, but we don't have to wash it today per se. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unbraid these 2 braids. I kind of did a little quick detangle because it was, you know, we had the Meek Mills going. So I detangled, but I wasn't sure if I was doing a U part or a V part. So I just did 4 little plaits. So let me unplait these really quickly and we will section out a good amount of hair so that we can do a nice little install. I've never done a flip over method. I don't even know if I'm able to with my hair because it's so thin. So let's just see what we can achieve in a realistic way with my beautiful natural hair. And then we will get this baby installed for the night. And one thing I noticed is it does have like kinky edges. I don't know if that makes sense, and I didn't even notice this before, but if you can see here, right here, it kind of like kinks up, and it's kind of a nice thing because it will blend with natural textures. Should your natural textures look like this, and mine pretty much do, it'll help everything to blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. It's been air drying for at least a good 4 to 5 hours, so it is like 80% dry. It's more so damp like in the center, like underneath, and a little bit at the bottom. So let's go ahead and put it on. Before we even start, here is the drawstring. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it by pulling as tight as I can. Once I get it to the desired tightness, you guys already know, we just lift and tuck and we are good to go. This is a quick look at what the hair looks like from the back once we've like washed or co-washed it with a little water and conditioner. I look crazy from the front because I didn't adjust it. Also, we can make note that if you need to adjust it, and even if you don't have a mirror, you can pull it out or from underneath the wig, grab it, find that stopper and literally just pull and make it tighter, or if it's too tight you can like release the strap and just make it looser. But it's always easy to get access to it, and then you just literally lift and tuck it back in and you are good to go. So I don't even know what I'm about to do with this girl. She's absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. I just gotta play with her and find my end. So I don't want to talk you guys through it because I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. So let's just go ahead, and yes, my hair is itchy, my real hair, but let's just go ahead and play with it and see if we can achieve a flip over or something.
Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like my rules. Big moves.
Okay, lip bugs, look at how gorgeous she looks. I absolutely love the way it came out. And lo and behold, this was actually very easy to achieve. Typically, I maintain my natural hair in the shower a lot of the times. I'll do a wash and condition. Sometimes I'll do a pre-poo like the night before, and then I will wash, condition in the shower, detangle in the shower, put it into 2 French braids, and it kind of will just live that way until the next week when I wash again. She's definitely a go-to, and I love it. Now, my hair, of course, isn't gonna blend 100%, so I like the way they added that kinky like hairline to it, and then I kind of want to keep it a little bit more fluffy. It has dried to like about 90-95%. It's just a little damp at the nape, but like for example, this piece here is my natural hair, so it's nice to incorporate both, but just kind of like just don't touch it or overdo it, I guess you can say. And I did kind of do some little baby hair in the front for my little big forehead, but that's pretty much it. Okay, love bugs, brief intermission. They did include this here, which is a white headband. So I'm gonna try to use this one and see what happens. Forgive me if I get makeup on it. I typically don't wear white only because I am a makeup girl.
It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way.
Look how cute that is. Just that quick and easy. Very, very Valley girl. You kind of want to pull one shoulder off, and it's a vibe. Very easy to wear this one. You see, even when your braid out in the front is not cooperating, you throw a headband on like so, and you can literally go out of the door, especially because the hair is nice and big and it's in that kinky texture, so you'll be able to pull it off with no issue. I have a little bit of hairs poking out, but I didn't even make the effort to do baby hair, just so you can see even on an off day you can still slay. So that is pretty much it, love bugs. I love this look. Very simple to achieve and natural. My biggest thing is I think doing the wash and go at the sink, because I am tender-headed, so once the wig is installed, like tugging at it while like the combs are attached kind of like bothers me, so I like to be able to style the hair. I'll work on it and continue to practice like doing defined curls so that I can like practice define on my leave out, but for right now kind of having it semi-defined, definitely moisturized, but a little bit more on the fluffy side. I think just blends. Like this right here is my hair, and then this here is wig hair, and it looks the same. So chef's kiss, I think we got a winner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.